Hello student, good morning. We are going to start with how to create a Google Classroom. There is a small file which you can see right now in front of you, which is available. So the small practical is all about creating a Google Classroom, adds 2 students, 1 co-teacher, create 3 topics and upload the document. So how to do that? There are multiple options are available. So you can go directly to the classroom.google.com or some other options are available. So we will start with the same. So what we can need to do is we need to click on this 9 dots. After clicking on the 9 dots, you can able to see a Google Classroom. For example, Google Meet options are already available. Classrooms are available. So this is a classroom, or you can directly go to the site which I have just tell you. So how to go to that specific site is directly type classroom.google.com and just enter. When you enter, a classroom will be open for which you need to be sign in with your proper account. So which account? I'll select my specific account which I usually used for making the videos. So Google Classroom is a service which is provided by the Google, which is help us to share a file. It will help us to create assignment, grade the assignment and communicate with your student in proper way. Google Classroom is completely free. One of the most advantage is of Google Classroom is it's completely free. For example, there are some Google Classroom which I have just created. How to do that? What we need to do is there is an upright corner, there is a plus sign, and when you click on it, you need to click on this plus sign and we need to create a class. So when I click on create a class, it will ask you to understand the rules and the regulation for the same. So I'll click on the continue. So it will ask you some options. For example, class name, section, subject and room. So what we need to do is for example, say I type a class name. So class name, usually I type my name only. So what I'll type my YouTube channel name, say my Google YouTube channel name is Rajendra Patore, but I'm creating a Google Classroom as one of the option for class name. I'll say section say practical. Okay, or subject I type my ITG. Then a room, say for room, any room where practical lab. Okay, and you can create a class for the student. So when I click on create, the class will be get created. It's creating a class. So you can see a class is created. Okay, create announcement, close site now. Okay, so class is created. Rajendra Patore, Google Classroom, practical and other options were provided. So when you click on the multiple options, so multiple options are nothing but the multiple option, most important thing is you can individually ask the student to check the people, or you can check the individual student properly. For example, to join a class, there is one option, display code is provided. So when you click on that square button, you will find out the display code for the specific class. If the student wanted to join your class, they can make use of this particular code, and by entering that code, they can be a part of that particular class. Other options, we have that customize option. So it must look, the class must be very enjoyment, and the student need to enjoy that particular class. So multiple options were provided, which color you want to be for the theme color. You can select the photo from the photo gallery. So for example, educational detail ke liye what we can use, we will use say tab or okay, so I'll use this part, select the class theme. So the theme has been changed, or you can change or upload the photo from your browse gallery or from your system itself. Okay, then I'll say save. So the classroom theme has been changed. The multiple options were added over here. So other than that option, you have a classwork. If you see over here, so classwork, what things you can do using the classwork. So when you try to create a class, we have already created a class. So in that part, you can share the class code to join your classroom. Which code? This is the code which I have just shown you. Classroom student can click on the plus sign button. So with the sign button which is already available, I'll show you that part. So what they need to do is, so when student try to access any classroom, so what they need to do is they need to click on the classroom and the classroom will be available. When the classroom is available, what the student need to do? Student need to click on the plus sign and they have to click on join class rather than clicking on create class. When they click on the join class, the classroom will ask for a specific code, and which code they need to enter? This is the code. This is this display code for a specific classroom that will be visible to the students. So how to add student, how to check the student, that we will see now. So when you click on the streams, these are the multiple options we can see in the streams. Other than that, we have a classwork. So when I go to the classwork will give you two options to create a classwork. So what I'll do, I'll click on the create classwork. It will have assignment, quiz assignments, questions, material, request post and topic post. So if I wanted to create any assignment for the student, so what I'll do, I'll click on the assignment. I'll add the title, say create Google Classroom. Okay, and you can provide some instructions. For example, these are some instructions which I have created for the students to work in that specific part. So you can give that instructions to the students, via which student can read the instructions and create that particular batch. Other options you will get, so this is how you get create option or assign to the students. So while assigning, what other options you have? So you can assign this to all students using this all option, this is button, or you can invite individual student. So it can be done individually or by adding individual names. So you need to add the students individually. So for example, I'll add one of the student, invite, and that invitation can be sent to that specific student. Okay, so you can grade the points for this particular assignment. The grading point can be given, or that is you, as I already explained you. So grading can be done. So you can provide the grading marks, 10 marks, sorry. So you can give 10 marks, or you can make it ungraded, depend upon the requirements. So any date, due date, you can schedule it according to your requirements. So for date, for say I'll schedule it for say today's only topic, I'll take okay. Then you need to provide a topic name. If you wanted to add any, you can provide topic name, rubric you wanted to select anything, or you can directly just assign that particular task to that particular assignment. Okay, so I'll directly click on assignment. So that task has been assigned to that specific student only. Other option we have for creating a class in a classwork only, we have a material. So mostly I will make use of this material option in a create classwork. So this material will help me to upload multiple options. So how it is possible? So I'll type classwork, Google class, sorry. Google class, okay, Google class, and any description if you wanted to create class. Google class, ELESS class, and you can upload the file. For example, I'll click on this, I'll browse, and this is the file which I wanted to select, open. So this file will be attached, and I can allow the student to that specific class. So which student to be get selected, that I'll select from this particular part, and again I need to invite the student. So multiple students can be get provided. So this is one of the student I'll invite. I'll say send invitation. For the invitation has been sent, and post. So information has been posted to that specific classwork. So multiple options, and the options which you have created a Google class, you have created a classwork to the student that can be seen in your own classroom itself. Then multiple options are there. As we go to the people class option, people tab. So in people tab, you can add teachers as well. So if any teacher you wanted to add with the student, or for example, you can say co-teacher, that or any parent or a guardian those who wanted to see the student marks or their grades, you can add those people over here directly. So right now I'll add one of the teacher, that is me itself, invite, and simultaneously that teacher can able to see how many students have been provided with the information. So I'll need to, one of the student I have already added. If I wanted to add one more student, so what I'll do, the multiple students are there. So like that you can add many more students in this particular assignment which you have wanted to send to the student, to the parent, to the teacher or your co-teacher. Okay, at the end what we are going to say is a grade tab. So grade tab is over here. When I click on the grade, so grade option can be provided, multiple grades can be provided to the assignment which you have provided to that particular student. So when we go to the setting part, so this is the upper right hand corner gear option, and when you click on it you will get the multiple options which have invitation to who you have sent the invitation link, and other things, streams option can be sent. So these are the settings. In settings, what streams can be checked. So in stream and classwork, what you do, the student can post and comment, or student can only comment, and student only teacher can post the comment. These options can be selected by the teacher for that particular class. Classwork on streams, so it will show you the show notification, show attachment and the details, or hide the information that thing can be created by the students. Default grade, if you wanted to increase the grade or if you wanted to decrease the grade, that grade options is available over here. And grade calculation and other options all are available in this specific category of setting. Okay, so I need to just save these settings for my class, and this is how your class is get created. So when I go to the home option, or just I need to click on the to review my classroom, so you will find out multiple options which are attachment. There are some posts which I have given to the student which can be seen by the student by clicking on the plus sign. When they need to sign in into the Google account, they need to click on the plus sign and they need to join the class. While joining the class, what they need to do after clicking on this join the class, they need to just add this specific display code for that specific class, and they automatically get attached to that specific class. One of the best option is that once student is added into that specific class, the student will not removed until unless the teacher will not remove that particular student from that class. They will remain as it is for that class only. So there are multiple options in Classwork. So this is how we will work in Google Classroom, and I hope everybody understand how to create Classwork, how to make use of stream, Classwork, and how to add the people. So multiple options are there. I hope everybody understand how to create a Google Class and Classroom options. Thank you class.